family plot square foot garden, and we're gonna plant an eggplant. So this eggplant is actually in the same family as our peppers, which will be really handy. We'll put it right here in the row. It'll fit well with our crop rotation. So I'm just gonna slide it out of this pot. We have some good root growth, but not excessive. So it's a good size for transplanting here, and it is an appropriate time in our part of the world. So we are just gonna loosen the soil a little bit. This is actually a pretty large media volume, so I have to make sure that I get a nice big area. I can loosen a little bit extra around the sides, and I just want to put this plant in the ground so that when I cover it up, then it's going to be just a little bit above, you know, similar to where it was in the pot, but I'm going to put just a little bit more dirt around the top so that it doesn't dry out. I'm going to tamp it down slightly, scatter it back around, and we are ready to go.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.